Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my top 5 moisturizers for oily and acne prone skin type. Being an oily and acne prone skin type, at times you might think that you can skip moisturizer, but no, you cannot. You definitely cannot. Even if you have an oily skin, even if your skin is acne prone, it is extremely important for you to apply moisturizer every single day. If you don't apply moisturizer, your skin becomes excessively dry, and when your skin becomes excessively dry, your body compensates by producing more oil to bolster skin's barrier function, and it results in clogged pores, breakouts and whatnot. So should an oily skin type apply moisturizer? The answer is yes, every single day. And here are my top 5 moisturizers for all my oily and acne prone skin cuties out there. Okay, so the first moisturizer has to be from my favorite brand, that is Requil. In fact, I have 2 moisturizers from this brand. The first one is their oil-free moisturizer, a very gorgeous moisturizer for all the people like me who have combination oily acne prone skin type. This one is not comedogenic. This one is specially made for people with normal skin, combination skin, oily and acne prone skin type. This one is super lightweight, so lightweight that you will not even feel a thing, because this one just sits onto your skin so comfortably. You don't feel a thing. Okay, and I really like this moisturizer. This also works as a great primer for people with oily and acne prone skin type. I think that's it. I don't have a lot to say about this moisturizer because this is just a good moisturizer. 100-gram tube retails for ₹350. You can definitely apply my code Shivani20 and then get 20% off on your cart. So definitely get your hands on this moisturizer because this one is superbly hydrating, moisturizing, long lasting, and you will not feel a thing. Now my second pick from Requil is their ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. This one is also loaded with mango butter. This one is specially for people with normal to dry skin type, but this moisturizer is a savior. Okay, now let me explain it to you. Being an oily and acne prone skin type, you know how many actives you have to apply, right? And all these actives penetrate through our skin barrier to be able to work, to be able to show the result. And all these actives are harsh, they are strong, they literally destroy our skin barrier if we do not take care of that. So this is where this moisturizer comes into play. This one really strengthens, protects, repairs your skin barrier. This one is my go-to for tretinoin aftermath. I apply tretinoin and I cannot do without this moisturizer. Since I apply so many actives, I have to have this moisturizer. Rich in ceramide, rich in hyaluronic acid. This one really protects your skin barrier. I highly recommend it to all the people like me who are oily, acne prone, and definitely you can take my word on this one. This will not make your skin all the more oilier. You'll just have to be a little vigilant with the quantity, maybe not slather away this product, but be very mindful, and you can just make it work. 100-gram tube retails for ₹350. You can use my code. I'm going to link that in the description box. Next moisturizer is everyone's favorite. If you are a skincare junkie like me, you will definitely know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is the lightest moisturizer that I have applied. So light, gel-like consistency, so smooth, very beautiful but mild fragrance, and so instantly rejuvenating. Every time I apply this one, I feel so fresh, such a summer ready moisturizer. This one is loaded with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, gets absorbed by your skin like really quick, and this one gives you a very water like fresh glow. Love how simple, non-oily yet moisturizing this one is. It is really long lasting, good for all year round use, especially for oily and acne prone skin type, but I feel this one will suit all skin types unless you are extremely dry skin type. This is 73 grams. Yes, this is 73 grams stuff for some 114 rupees. Next moisturizer is my Amazon find that I think I'm going to treasure a lot because I've been really enjoying using this one. I'm talking about Hyalu gel. This is a hyaluronic acid gel. This is a gel basically, has a very runny consistency, more like serum, like a thick nourishing serum. This one is very moisturizing, very conditioning. This one is non-sticky, non-oily, non-comedogenic aqua gel. This one is safe from fragrance and added colors. This is hypoallergenic, very moisturizing, deeply hydrates your skin from within, also reduces the appearance of large pores and has an excellent spreadability. A very little goes a long way. You don't have to apply a lot of it because this much is enough, like literally this much is enough. This one is 30 grams tube that retails for rupees 237. You might have to pay something for delivery and it will be around 300 rupees, but this is worth it. I love this moisturizer. I have saved the best one for the last, and I'm talking about Klairs freshly juiced vitamin E mask. This is a very good product. This is a multi-purpose product. You can either use this as a moisturizer daily, or you can slather your skin with this one as a sleeping mask. Any which ways, you will be able to reap out the maximum benefits of this product. This is a very creamy, jelly, pudding-like consistency. Even though it is a thick consistency, it is very lightweight. The moment you apply this on your skin, it melts onto your skin like heaven. This is so divine. This product is gorgeous. Now the best thing about this product is that even if you use this 1,000 times, the texture goes back to looking like it has never been touched, new. That is the most beautiful thing about this moisturizer. That also says a lot about its quality. Loaded with vitamin E, niacinamide, adenosine that really boosts the skin's radiance and glow. This one really works on strengthening your skin barrier. Being rich in niacinamide, this one is a great moisturizer for an oily and acne prone skin type person. Niacinamide really fights acne scars, acne marks. It also helps to reduce the production of sebum, restores hydration, promotes the production of collagen, reduces the appearance of large pores, fine lines, wrinkles. It is anti-inflammatory, evens out your skin tone and brightens your skin in one use. Really, never believed in any of the marketing theories when they said, one use and your skin will be like a bulb radiating, but this one, super gorgeous. The first time I applied this, the next morning I was like, this product, this is really effective. I don't know how to put this across, but this is really effective. Basically, this is worth the hype. This one I think will suit all the skin types, although this one will be magical for somebody with oily and acne prone skin type. Definitely. I think this is on a this is expensive, 90 ml. Beautiful tub that retails for rupees 1850, but this one will last really long. I have to admit that. I got this from Limes Connect. I'm going to link them in the description box. If you want to try this product, definitely check that out. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys like this video. Please tell me what are your favorite moisturizers. Let's use the comment section to communicate and share our thoughts. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on anything at all. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.